Hi, this is Kari from Kari's Crafts. Today we are going to be working a foundation single crochet to increase your row instead of starting from the beginning. This is very useful, especially when you have a project like, say, a shaped graphghan or something, where you need to increase by several stitches at the end of a row. Like if it's the beginning of the row, in the previous row you can chain several stitches and then, single crochet at the beginning of that next row, and that'll do that side. But when you have to do the other end of the row, how do you add on to your stitches? So this is the easiest way to do it and the kind of the cleanest way to do it. One example of this is I just made a pattern for someone for a football rug, like a rug that looks like a football. So instead of having the background stitches like in a graphghan like blanket, it's just done with the football itself and not with the background. So we needed to do increases and decreases. So this is how we do it. So I just have a couple rows of single crochet here just to show how you do this. So normally if you do a foundation single crochet, you would start by chaining two, and anyway, I will link the video that shows how to do a regular foundation single crochet in the description. But anyway, to add on to here, we are going to act as if we were going into the chain, like when we're just adding more stitches. So at this edge here, this edge stitch here, from the previous row, we're going to go under the sides, and we're going to, those two loops there are going to act as the chain. So we're going to go under there, we're going to yarn over and pull up a loop. Okay, and then we're going to yarn over and pull through just one. That creates the chain for a foundation single crochet. And then we will yarn over and pull through two again. Or I guess that's the first time we did that, but see, then that adds one single crochet onto this row. So to add another one, you're going to go under your two loops of your chain, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through one to create the chain, yarn over and pull through two. So now you have two single crochets added. So we'll do one more. So you go under the two loops of the chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through one, yarn over, pull through two. And you just continue on like that for however many stitches you need to add. Thanks for watching.